Hello everyone, I have one question. 2 days ago I repaired this charge controller and it had inside 150 volt, I believe 40 amp MOSFET. I replaced incoming MOSFET, that blown one, with a 75 volt 80 amp MOSFET. So my question is, if I lower incoming voltage and double that amperage, if that would be possible that this controller now can take up to 75 volts and 200 watts at 12 volts, because it's rated originally for 130 watts at 12 volts. But my test, which you are going to see in next video, my test shows that it can take at least 200 watts on 12 volts with that new 75 volt 80 amp MOSFET. Is that possible if we are working from IC's perspective, if they can handle that kind of current and power, even if MOSFETs will survive? But how do you think, guys, those IC chips will take more than 200 watts if this controller right now from input side is capable receiving that? Just let me know in the comments below. Maybe some of you have done that before, have tried, and maybe it's a successful modification, or maybe it's a fail. So yeah, let me know down in comments, and then I'm going to upload a second video where I show how I repaired it, and basically that it takes 180 watts, and I'm sure it can take more than 200 watts right now, because voltage is lower but amps are more. So yeah, let me know.